Hello guys, today's topic is from JLPT N4 ができることができる which has two meanings. The first one means that have the ability to do something. I'm able or someone is able to do something. And the second one is possibility, like it's possible to do something, or more if we can say you are permitted to do something or you're prohibited to do something. When we check the examples, I think you will understand more, but now let's see the structure of it. So the main verb is dekiru, which means can. Let's see how we are going to structure dekiru with nouns and verbs. So meishi, which means noun, will be with ga dekiru. You're putting your noun, you're adding ga dekiru. But with the verbs, doshi no jishoke is what we are looking for, which means the infinitive form of the verb. And after that, we need to add koto. Don't forget, like we cannot say verb ga dekiru. We need koto. So doshi no jishoke plus koto plus ga plus dekiru. And with the negative, we are just going to change dekiru to dekinai. The same structure will be applied. We're just saying instead of dekiru, dekinai. Noun plus ga dekinai. Verb infinitive plus koto ga dekinai. If you're already in N4 level, I'm sure that you know that in Japanese there are two types of language, or like let's say speaking, the standard one and formal polite one. So dekiru in dekinai is more of speaking or standard level, but dekimasu and dekimasen is more polite, formal one. The structure is gonna be exactly the same, nothing changed. Just instead of dekiru, you're going to use dekimasu and dekinai, dekimasen. Let's jump to the examples and you'll understand better. So let's see our first example. 運転ができる彼氏が欲しい。運転ができる彼氏が欲しい。I want a boyfriend who can drive. 運転ができる。彼は料理をすることができる。彼は料理をすることができる。He can cook. He can cook. 料理をする is infinitive form of the verb. 料理をする. We are adding こと after the verb and ができる。彼女は日本語を話すことができる。彼女は日本語を話すことができる。Again, we are seeing here the infinitive form of the verb 話すことができる. Let's see the negative form of the standard language. 買い物ができない。買い物ができない。I cannot do shopping. I cannot shop. The meaning of it might sound like a verb, but it is not. It's 名詞. It's noun. 買い物ができない。私には自分の感情を感じることができない。私には自分の感情を感じることができない。I cannot feel my own feelings. I cannot feel. So, 感じることができない。私は楽器を演奏することができない。私は楽器を演奏することができない。I cannot play any instrument. So, 演奏する is our verb infinitive. ことできない。So, all the examples until now showing someone's ability rather than the second meaning of possibility or permission, let's say. But here, the last two examples are actually gonna show you the polite version of the language besides the other meaning, which is a possibility or permission or prohibition. 講義の後、直接質問することができます。講義の後、直接質問することができます。After the classes, directly you can ask the questions. So it's not something that you're able to. You're just like someone is giving permission to ask questions. 質問することができます。You can ask the questions. Not you're able to, but you can. Someone is giving you a permission to do it. The second example is この美術館では写真を撮ることができません。この美術館では写真を撮ることができません。You cannot take photos in this museum. You cannot. So it's a prohibition. So 写真を撮ることができません。You cannot. So as you can see, we have here two meanings, the ability and possibility, or permission and prohibition. Thank you for watching it, and I hope that everything is understood. But if you have any questions left, please just write it down below and I will answer all of them. And please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Thank you.